Congratulations on making it this far in the Innovation Challenge. You've worked hard to understand a real-world problem and bring your solution to life. Now it's time to showcase your idea. Decide which category your project fits best. By submitting in a specific category, you have opportunities to win special prizes for best in your selected category. If your project doesn't fit one of these categories, that's okay too. Just select Other on the form. The categories are Environment and Climate Change. That's related to the natural world as a whole or in a specific area. Climate change is related to the changing climate patterns by too much CO2 from fossil fuels in the atmosphere. Ecology is related to the relationship between living organisms and their environment. Agriculture and biodiversity is related to the practice of preparing and use of plants and livestock, also related to the variety of plants and species present in an ecosystem. Technology is robotics, apps, and electronics, and that's related to the scientific techniques and skills used for creating. Social justice is related to justice in terms of the distribution of wealth, opportunities, and privileges within a society. Now that you have finished your prototype, it's time to show it off. To do this, you will create a short video, approximately 2 to 5 minutes in length. Your video can be filmed directly and does not require any editing. The purpose is just to show us, in your own words, what problems are you trying to solve? Why did you choose that problem? What were some of the solutions you came up with, and which did these try out? Then finally, show us your prototype. Write a short script that answers these questions so that you can practice what you'll say. Decide if one person will be the main presenter and explainer, or if your team wants to have multiple people present. And be sure to have your prototype on hand so you can show it off. You will export your video and upload your video file directly to the submission form. On the submission form, there will also be a place to upload your logbook. Make sure you have answered all the questions thoroughly and save a copy as a PDF. You will upload the PDF into the document. Some fun things that you can also include in your video or logbook is things like an interesting discovery you made during the prototyping process, some cool information gathered during the design empathy stage. What made you decide to develop the solution for your final project instead of some of the other solutions that you generated during your brainstorming session?